Hi guys, welcome back to the channel while Gwan tours. It'll be our Faliraki. Let's go and see what Nightlife's got to say. Let's go. Let's see what Gwan, eh? It's about 2 AM. We just got here. It's Sabrina.
So yeah, about 27, 28 at the moment. We just had some food. We went to Gyro Village. Really, really nice. And now we're going to have a look at what we believe the main high street is of Faliraki and see what Gwan.
So we're going to go up to the top. There's a bar at the top. We're going to have a little drink at the top bar.
So the first one we're coming along to is Mix Club.
As again, it's 2 AM. I'm guessing this is like Bar Street. Hello, mate. I'm okay, thank you, thank you. So we just landed earlier on. Well, about, what time did we land? About 12? Well, half 11?
Half 11, yeah. Half 11.
It's a crazy ass journey. Yes. About a 5-hour flight for some reason. It's meant to be a 4-hour, but they kept us on the plane.
We were stuck for like an hour.
Hour on the plane for no reason at all. So yeah, great. I'm trying. A little busy here, we are. So this is YOLO Club. Little cannabis one here. Little happy tacos. So far, not much English. Few. So yeah.
Yeah, a lot of like more Scandinavian, more German, all that sort of clientele.
Everybody vaping, that's normal though.
Oh yeah, good luck.
Smells very fruity. Not fruity. So we're going to go into a climax, I think. So we're going to go. A few tattoo places on the left, right, sorry. This little place here looks quite cool. Hello. This place is very good. Mambo bar.
Number one is don't panic.
So we're going to go for one more beer cocktail. I fancy a cocktail though. We haven't had a cocktail so far.
Yeah, we've had a lot of beer, feeling a bit gassy now.
A lot of beers, isn't it? Non-stop beers the whole time. Everyone's out tonight though. Fancy dress night tonight. Batman, Robin. Thank you guys. Everyone a bit trashed at the moment. That's the way it is. What's this one? Dance City. We ain't going to no nightclub though. Bar, definitely.
Yeah.
But no bars. No nightclubs, sorry.
Travel day is a little bit like we're out, but we're not out.
Got the girls on the old dancing pole here. Hello boys, you right? Good evening.
Where are you from? Brazil?
No. Jamaica!
UK.
More the dancers. So yeah, got a bit of Tiger over across the road. Live dancers. Bit more.
It's got a girl on the pole.
Yeah. Like a bowl, as Sabrina was saying. It seems like everything is dying down though. What time is it?
2:48, so 10 to 3.
10 to 3. 10 to 3, everything seems like it's just winding down at the moment. Excuse
we didn't
me.
get into the island until...
Oh, I'm really gassy though. I'm really gassy tonight.
We've had about 3 beers now.
There's like 3 beers in the sight. Whoa. I'm just gassed out. Gassed out.
Really a beer drinker, a little arcade here.
Little arcade, yeah. Guess you want to see the old arcade? Anyone wants to go in a car, you go in a car. If you can't drive, that's for you, I guess. Look at this lovely restaurant. This is quite nice. Come in here. Baroque. Very nice restaurant. Sabrina getting her head in the way. That's alright. You keep getting your head in the way. Yeah, very nice restaurant. And they got Bliss across the road, still open. I think we're going to take a motorbike to deal with what we've got to deal with. Ireland seems big enough for a moped. I think we need much more than that. Right, so we're looking for one more place, have one more beer. One more. What do you think we're doing? Look at this place. It's lovely. Hello guys. So yeah, we're going to have one more beer somewhere. Unsure where at the moment. It's not a lot open, look, as you can see everything's quite close.
I feel like we're getting to a bit of the dead man zone.
But you never know, you never know.
First night being here, we don't know what's open.
Moto roll. Don't really understand what that even means. Careful, look. 24-hour shop there actually.
3 hours.
5 hours for as well. Fucking hell. Got the old 24-hour shop as well. I think this is it. Let's have a beer here, isn't it? Hello guys. You okay?
Brazil.
But no, Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
So we're having a Captain Morgan's and a Coke, and we've run into a few holiday makers, as you guys can see. Where are you guys from?
Italy. I'm from here.
Yeah?
You're from here and you're from Italy.
He doesn't look like it.
Me, I'm from Thailand. I'm from Phuket. My mama.
Yeah.
My mama was not mama. My mama was lady boy.
Perfect. And you boys, Thailand as well?
My boyfriend. My boyfriend.
Is he a lady boy as well? Ah, can't tell. So good these days.
No, he have a small but good.
A good working, but small.
Small but
small.
good.
Very small. Very small. Very small.
We're from Norway.
Ah.
And he's from
You're from Greece. Okay. And you guys are from Norway.
He's also my
Are
friend.
you guys on holiday? You having a good time?
We're having a very good time.
Oh, I'm glad.
My
So as
first
you-
boyfriend.
As you can see, everyone's having a good time in the island of Rhodes.
He have also nice six pack. Really small, but he know how to use it.
Everyone has the goods. Might be big, might be small, but it does the job. There we go. Thank you.
Fuck me.
Strong?
I don't believe you.
Apparently very strong. Not bad. Woo. Definitely taste the Captain Morgan.
You make it really strong. Ah, you're a good man.
May as well add a bit more for me as well. Oh, hang on. Thank you.
Very.
God, thank you. Cheers, guys. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. Cheers.
Cheers, Kobigawa. Thank you so much traveling with us.
Cheers.
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 We don't have, we drink
Yeah,
it.
no drinks.
Already. We had like our
Cheers.
beers now and
Cheers. The boys out
If
tonight.
there is a gun, don't show it.
One boy pretending that he is a Thai lady boy. And one boy looked like he's done.
no, he's the main guest.
That boy looks like he's done.
Finito.
Hello, konnichiwa. Very wrong. Wait. Konnichiwa, welcome to our bar.
No, 876. No run up this time. For me? Yeah. Wow. I don't want to shit my power. Oh, might be good enough. Not good enough. Could be. That's it. Cool. Power is in. See more. It's more.
Hey,